Jeez. Dinner is ready. There you go, baby. Look at the barbecue. I got the Daddy Black. The Daddy Black. Black Label Preserve. This is black hot sauce. It ain't no joke, buddy. I ain't lying, man. But I made dinner, and looks good to me. It looks good to me. Hey, before you eat, always drink your water, man. Always drink your water. Anyway, always take the time to make yourself a nice dinner. It's not hard to do. It's not hard to do, baby. That right there is homemade nutmeg applesauce. That shit ain't no joke. Got my potato salad. I should have put the sliced eggs up there, but I didn't feel like doing all that shit. Okay. I got my jalapeno pepper. Woo! Put that joker right there, boy. Well, you guys, I'm going to sit down and mow down. I'm out of here.